Raghavendra Rajkumar in the black and white stripes. The Rajkumar family, a big star in his own right, of course, next to Ambarish. The stars are all coming in here, which is very good news for the Celebrity Cricket League. Plenty of support. The Ambarish family here in big numbers. That's the other thing. So Raghavendra, welcome to the stadium. The crowd has spotted him now, so big roar to accompany it.
Raja seems to be a jack of all trades. He keeps, he bats, and now he bowls. Well bowled. Good delivery to start your spell with. I have a feeling something's going to happen now, Charu. Something's going to happen in this over.
17 from 17 the stand. Karthik has supported Pradeep well, and if they are to go along in a quiet manner, just the singles are enough. Full toss, swung away, not connected at all. What an opportunity for Pradeep. I feel a little surprised by it.
He's disappointed. Pradeep is. He knows that was an opportunity to try and get maximum. A juicy full toss. Sunil Shetty not playing today, but not happy with some of the field placement there. But I guess it's tough for the left right hand combination at the crease. It always is. I remember Sabah Karim once made me run from deep square leg to deep extra cover. I had half a mind of getting a bicycle from one of the spectators and cycling across to just make sure Captain Karim gets the subtle hint that I was trying to give him.
Or was it something in training that you didn't know that he thought he might have you do in a match? I get it from good authority that there were a couple of catches missed which he wasn't particularly pleased about.
Well, and from even better authority, I think it was the captain who dropped the catches, and I was in his ear saying, "What the beep beep are you doing?" You know, and that as punishment for being obnoxiously rude to the captain, I was sent from deep square leg to deep extra cover.
Hey, listen, it's always tough to get those nicks as a keeper, huh? Don't go for the two. Slightly more sensible running by the Bulldozers, one must admit. It was that spectacular run out of Rajiv, which was rare, as you mentioned, Rohan, because the fielding, even within the 30-yard circle, even if you're about 20 yards away, almost guaranteed a run. But there's always an element of danger. So 3 from this, good over.
Ooh, that was close. I told you, Charu, I had a feeling something was going to happen in this over.
I'll have to say something almost happened in this over so far. There's still a couple of deliveries left, but you can't fault Sharad Kelkar for thinking that was out. And he didn't bother staying down for you. One, he's a tall man. He didn't bother because he thought that's going to strike the stump, surely. Somehow, miraculously, it didn't. And they get 4 byes. Lucky for the Bulldozers. And Raja won't be particularly pleased.
Good ball to end the over. It's 112 for 4 after 14, and when you come back, you'll get the dynamic duo of Batman and Robin, also known as Sabah Karim and Ajay Mehra.